Take a ride in the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.